Welcome to Lighthouse Worship. My name is Hugo, and today's video we're going to be learning how to play the song I Need You More by Josiah Queen. This song is played original key in the key of D, but we're playing C shapes with capo on number 2. So if you're a guy, original keys in D. If you're a girl, you could probably move it up to capo 4 for your range. But in this video, we'll be going over key of D, right? So, broken my heart to 1,000 pieces. I've been trying to do this on my own. Sometimes you gotta break your heart to find your soul. Sometimes you gotta lose your will to give God control. So that is the verse 1. Very simple chord progression. You're gonna go to your A minor, right? To your G, to your C chord, and then your C chord you play it twice. Okay? And then it repeats back to A minor. Right, G, back to C chord, you play C chord twice, and then you're going to go into your pre-chorus, right, which is the same thing, A minor, G again, C. After that, you repeat it one more time. Sometimes you gotta lose your will, G on will, to give God control, okay? And then at the very end of that pre-chorus, you're going to go to your E major, okay, which is your 3, but they turn it into major, right? Okay, strumming pattern for the verse goes like this. Strumming pattern. Okay, so once you're done with the pre-chorus, it goes to the E major, and then we're gonna go into the chorus, which is I need you like a sunrise needed for a shadow, need you like a heartbeat beating down in my bones. But I need you more. I need you like a sick man needs for a physician, need you like a helping man on a mission. But you get the point, that's the chorus. So the chorus is going to be repeating the same strumming pattern, which is the down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. And it repeats like that pretty much the whole song. The only time it doesn't do that is during the pre-chorus, because the pre-chorus is kind of like a down chorus, where it goes, sometimes you gotta break your heart to find your soul, right? So that part, it dies down a little bit to prepare for the chorus. So you just do a single strumming on the pre-chorus, right? After you sing the chorus, you go back into verse 2, which is the same thing as verse 1. So we're not going to go over that. And that's pretty much the song. This will be a very short video. I hope that helps. Yeah, so it's a really good song. Go check it out if you haven't. Subscribe, leave a like and a comment. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.